Chinese character evolution 汉字演变午下午的午中午的午午 meaning 11 a.m. or 1 p.m. or noon time. For example, we know 上午下午中午 Also, we have a festival called 端午节 Okay, the arc image, look at this one. Looks like a character called 丝 Also, we call that 绞丝旁 This is 绞丝旁 Look at the character 丝 So the original image is actually a poking stick. It's a stick. It's a poking stick, which Asian Chinese used to pound the rice grain to get rice. So actually it is the original character of this character called 楚木旁加武楚 which means it is a pestle or a poke to poke a pestle. Later, the character wu, our character wu, did not represent the meaning of to pound rice. Instead, it is used for other situations. And this character called Chu was created by adding a wood on the left. It's called a mu pang. It becomes the character meaning to pestle. How about the character we are talking about today? Wu. Wu had other usages. One represents the 5th of solar month in among 12 months. It can also mean the 7th earthly branch out of 12 branches. This is because Asian Chinese know that Mu Xing, Jupiter, orbits the sun in 12 years. So the 7th, they call that Wu. So based on this information, Wu represents in terms of time, let's say from the morning to the end to the evening, corresponding to the 5th and 7th, you can imagine they correspondingly represent this as 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. or the noon time, close to the noon time. So this is what we know the meaning today, Wu. And this one is the character we know today. So from original shape like a character Si meaning a silk, piece of silk. It is represented by 2 dots. So to distinguish this image from the image of Si, they change this character to be a dot, 2 dots. And the top dot, they change the shape so that it looks like not a dot. And further, in 篆文, they change this one to be like a circle, half circle, until it's totally different from the original one and to the one we have today. This is called Wu. So remember that basically in the origin, it is similar to this stuff. This character called 丝, 绞丝旁的丝. But today it's different. So this is called Wu.